Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video tutorial will walk you through on how to group rows in Excel. To start, you open up your Excel worksheet and you select the row you want to group. Let's group those rows. Now, you click on the Data tab and you select or click on Group. You choose to group either rows or columns. Since we're working on rows, we're going to choose rows. Then you click OK. Now you can see that your rows have been grouped by saying this marker here. This shows that you have grouped your rows from number 3 to number 7. So this is a marker group. You can choose to hide the marker or make it visible. You click this minus button to hide the marker, and you can see the rows are grouped are hidden too. While to make it visible, you click on the plus button. So that's it, guys. You have successfully grouped your rows cells in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. Ensure to give it a try and subscribe to the channel for more useful contents. Bye guys, see you in the next video.